I grew up on a ranch, and so since I was 4 years old, I've been doing construction, along with my grandpa and my dad. And one of our biggest passions is helping others. We have a church camp called Army. We have churches that come from all over Texas, and about 175 kiddos from junior high to high school. It's all volunteer from every church. Trying to get level?
Yes, sir.
This first post.
Hey, a little to the right.
One of the biggest things that we do, we build a lot of ramps for people that are disabled that can't get out of their house. We do awnings for food banks that are around here in Pflugerville. We also build decks. We do a lot of different things. When these kids come here and they learn how to do things, they're also learning how to lead, how to do things by example, and they're given to people that really need it, and they're able to build something together. That's awesome. My wife and I and my 2 daughters do this every summer. We've been doing this for a long time, for at least 20 years. My name is John Palacio. I'm the Regional Affairs Rep for the Upper Basin. Off the grid, I like to build ramps and give back to others.